Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vim with Corey, which is Vim Plus Design channel. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to automate sheet creation in Revit. If you ever had to create dozens of sheets in Revit manually, like entering names, numbers, and creating title block one by one, you know how time consuming it is. But with Dynamo, we can do all of that automatically in just few seconds. So guys, here is my Revit open. I have opened the new Revit file. So let's go to the manage to open Dynamo. Here I am clicking on Dynamo to open it. And it's opening. Let's wait for a while. Okay, this is the first window of the Dynamo. I am creating a new file for creating our scripts. Yes, this is the Dynamo workspace. And here is the node we will be working it with. Sheet dot py name number and title block. So see, this is the node we will be going to work with. Okay, so each time this node's run, it generates a new sheet based on the information we have provided. The sheet name, the sheet number, and the title block family type. So let's take a close look at the three main inputs. So the first input required is sheet name. This is the name that will appear on your Revit sheet. For example, ground floor sheet, first floor plan, third floor plan, roof plan, etc. You can provide one sheet name or a list of multiple names to several sheets at once. So let's see how can we give input to this node. So we will be using a code block and writing it in sheet's name. Okay, so there is a way to write its input. So I'll be writing this like ground floor plan. Okay, ground floor plan. This will be the first. This will be for the first plan. Second one is first floor. Okay, so this is taking a bit of time in writing this. I'll be writing in it short. Okay, so this also requires this comma on both sides. We'll be creating two sheets for the beginning. Okay, so this is the input for the sheet name. And like for the sheet number, we'll be doing the same. Okay, so I'll be giving this one input. I'll be giving numbers to my sheet as A100. Okay, and A101. Yeah, that's so it is showing some error. Let's see why it is showing some error. So see, I have missed one comma in this comma. Okay, now this is correct. So see, we have given two inputs, one for the sheet name, second for the sheet number. And okay, so the third and the final input required is title block family type. The title block must already exist in your Revit projects. So it will take the title block that is already present in your project. Okay, so let me add a family type node. Family type. This is the node that we are going to use. I'll connect this to this. It requires input, that is it showing is null. Okay, so I'll choose one title block family. I'll type T and select my title block family from here. Okay, so it's showing that this sheet number is already used. I need to add a unique number. So let's make it like B100 and B101. Like A, B, not AB, like B100 and B101. So this is a unique number and I am running the script. So see, this is on automatic mode and my script got run. And see, here two sheets are created, B100 and B101. Guys, see, these are the sheets that we have created. Sheet number is B100 and the second one is B101. Okay, so guys, here we get to see how number of sheets can be created using Dynamo nodes, using only 3 to 4 Dynamo nodes. Okay, so in this tutorial I have created 2 sheets for you. You can create more than 100 or thousands of sheets using just these 4 nodes. You got to know how these nodes are used.